Today, I will be talking about a wild berry that grows in the Northern Virginia area, autumn olive. It is usually found in the Himalayas, bordering India, Nepal, Bhutan, and Tibet. In Tibetan, we call it marib. Not the best, but it's okay. These are autumn olives, and these are not. Looks very much similar, but the colors of the leaves are a little bit different. Okay, let's go a little bit further and see. Super sour. The worst one. This is very good. Very sweet. This is perhaps one of the most delicious, sweetest, and closest to the Himalayan that I had when I was a kid. Oh, I also see a bird nest over there. The plant is usually invasive and hated by the farmers. When we say invasive, it reminds me of Tibet occupied by China in 1959. Well, let's return to our topic, which is autumn olive. The article I have read recently says that these are a great source of lycopene that fights cancer. Usually, tomatoes are supposed to be the highest source. Surprisingly, this fruit has 17 times more, which is incredible.